Custom 56 Ford truck. Wicked. Nice little wee speed shop decal there. Oh, I didn't know that. There's another sneaky moon eye at the bottom there. Hey, that's cool. Now, you guys might have seen earlier I've done a F100 56. That one had a back on it. This one's matte black. Plastic base, plastic wheels. Pretty cool looking front. As you guys know, I do love the matte black. And looks good with the red. There. Get up a truck.